Hi. In this video, I will show you how to make photo collages using TurboCollage software. We'll see how to make a picture pile, a photo grid, a random photo grid, a photo grid with a center picture, a zigzag collage, a collage of hexagons, a collage of circles, and a photo gallery collage. We'll also learn to add text to a collage. Let's get started. Open TurboCollage. This demo uses TurboCollage for Mac, but Windows users can follow along because TurboCollage works similarly on Mac and Windows. Let's set an output size for our collage. You can choose a size from a preset list or set the size by specifying dimensions. I will set the width to 21 inches, the height to 14 inches, and the resolution to 300 pixels per inch. We'll now go over the collage patterns in TurboCollage. First, select the regular pile pattern. Let's add some pictures to our collage. TurboCollage randomly arranges the added photos into a pile collage. I will now reposition some pictures. You can increase or reduce the picture size, or spin the picture. Use this button to move the selected picture in front of other pictures. And use this button to take it behind other pictures. To crop a picture, click to select it, and then crop using this button. To remove a picture from the collage, click to select it and then remove using this button. These tools rearrange the pictures in various ways. Let's quickly try some of these tools. In a picture pile collage, you can effortlessly contract or expand all pictures. Let us now see how to configure the collage background. You can use a color as the collage background. As of now, we're using white. Let me use black for the background. You can also set a picture as the background. Let us try using a tiled background picture. I will use this water drop icon as the background picture. Turn background picture tiling on. Boost the tile repetition. Let's revert to using the white background color. Use these controls to configure picture shadows. You can turn shadows off or on and modify their extent and intensity. Use this slider to increase or decrease the border width of pictures. Let us switch to using black border color. Revert to the white border color. Let us now glance at some features specific to the regular pile pattern. Check this box to give the photos a Polaroid look. Notice how photos look like Polaroids. Revert this. Check this box to give the photos a postage stamp look. Notice how the photos have a border similar to a postage stamp. Revert this. We will now export this collage to a JPG image we can print, email, or share on social media. You can export the collage to JPG, PNG, or TIFF image formats. Open the exported JPG image. We will now move on to inspect the advanced pile pattern. The advanced pile pattern is similar to the regular pile pattern we've just seen. In addition, it lets you select a shape for the images. All images use the circle shape by default. Let's try some other shapes. Select the square shape, the diamond shape, the hexagon shape. You can also set different shapes for different images. As with a regular photo pile, you can resize and rotate an image. You can also move the image as you like. Let's see how to crop an image in the advanced pile pattern. Let's now take a look at the picture grid pattern. A picture grid neatly arranges pictures in rows and columns. You can drag a picture to a different cell in the grid. To pan and zoom a picture, click to select it and then use the zoom and pan controls. You can sort the pictures in a grid by name or modification time. Let me sort the pictures by name. Use these controls to set the number of rows and columns in the grid. Use this slider to increase or decrease the spacing between the pictures. And use this slider to round corners on pictures. You can choose any color for picture borders. Use brown. Try black. Revert to white. Use this slider to modify the width of picture borders. If you want the pictures to show fully without getting cropped, use this setting. Now let us take a look at the picture grid unequal pattern. In picture grid unequal, TurboCollage intelligently lays out pictures in a random grid. Press this button to get a fresh arrangement. There's another way to use the picture grid unequal pattern. Let's say that you want to make a collage like this. Open a new TurboCollage project. Select the picture grid unequal pattern. Split this cell horizontally. Reposition the cell boundary. Split this cell vertically and reposition the cell boundary. Split this cell. We've designed the desired layout. Let us add pictures to this layout. I will quickly modify some settings to complete our collage. And with those few simple steps, our collage is ready. Let's close this collage and look at the center frame pattern. The center frame collage pattern lays out pictures around a center picture. You can drag any picture to the central position. Let us quickly try the zigzag collage pattern. Shuffle the collage to get a new zigzag arrangement. We will now inspect the Photohive collage pattern. Photohive collage pattern lets you make a collage of circles, diamond shapes, and hexagons. You can increase or decrease the number of positions in the collage. You can drag pictures to different cells to get a picture arrangement you like. To pan and zoom a picture, click to select it and use the pan and zoom controls. Let's take a look at the gallery collage pattern. Here's a gallery collage with pictures arranged in columns. You can move pictures within the gallery. In a gallery with columns, you can align the pictures to the top, bottom, or center. A gallery collage can also arrange the pictures in rows. In a gallery with rows, you can align the pictures to left, center, or right. Let us revert to center align the pictures. Let us see how to crop a picture. I will now show you how to add text to a collage. For example, we will add text to this collage. First, lock pictures in place, keeping their positions neat while working on the text. Add a new text. Edit the text. Move the text in place. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Have a great day.